Even if your couch cushions and car seats look clean, there may be embedded stains and debris lurking inside them. One way to find out is to clean these upholstered surfaces with a carpet cleaner. Follow these steps to find out exactly how dirty your sofa, car seats, and area rugs really are. Before using a carpet cleaner, start by vacuuming up any crumbs and debris using the crevice attachment on your vacuum. Then fill the basin with water and cleaning solution, following the guidelines on the tank. When you're ready to start cleaning, make sure to plug the appliance into a grounded outlet. And no matter what you're cleaning, it's always a good idea to test a small, inconspicuous spot first to make sure that the dyes won't run. Start by removing the cushions so you can clean the entire surface of the sofa. Spray the formula onto the upholstery using a slow and steady backward and forward motion. Go over that area, sucking up the cleaning solution and all of the stains along with it. Just check out how dirty the water is getting. Continue this process over the entire sofa, working in small sections, or concentrate on specific stained areas. Wait until the sofa is completely dry before sitting on it. This will take several hours, and point a fan towards the fabric to speed up the drying time. If you spilled milk on your favorite carpet, save those tears. A portable carpet cleaner makes it so easy to clean this mess and prevent stains and odors. Ideally, you'll want to clean the spill as soon as possible. Suction up the spill in slow overlapping strokes, working from the outside of the spill in towards the center. For set-in stains, pre-treat the area by spritzing cleaning solution onto the spot and letting it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. You can also gently scrub the area with the brush attachment before suctioning up the liquid, dirt, and debris. Now, say you spilled coffee all over your car seat, a portable carpet cleaner can help with that too. Pre-treat any serious stains by spritzing on the water and cleaning solution mixture. Let it sit for 5 minutes before removing. Then, using the upholstery attachment, use the brush to gently scrub any stains or debris. Pull the tool towards you to suck up the cleaning solution. Then just repeat this process as needed, working in small sections until the stain is completely gone. Once you're done cleaning, remember to clean the water out of the tank. You will marvel at how gross it is. Then rinse the tank so the machine is ready to use next time. For more cleaning secrets, follow along on RealSimple.com and Real Simple's YouTube channel.